Unequal numbers, the does not equal symbol in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our English learning series. Today, we're taking a deeper look into numbers and counting, specifically focusing on one unique mathematical symbol, the not equal to symbol, represented as does not equal. In mathematics, we often compare numbers to see if they are equal, greater than, or less than. But there's another situation we might encounter, when two numbers are not equal. This is where our star of the day, the not equal to symbol, comes into play. This symbol, does not equal, simply tells us that the value on the left is not the same as the value on the right. For example, in the statement, 3 does not equal 4 feet, what we're really saying is, 3 is not equal to 4 feet. We can use the not equal to symbol in sentences too, and it's just as straightforward as you'd imagine. For instance, consider the sentence, the number of apples in the basket does not equal the number of oranges. Here, we're saying that the number of apples in the basket is not equal to the number of oranges. Remember, when we read sentences that include the not equal to symbol, we usually say the phrase is not equal to where the symbol appears. Now, it's time for some practice. Here's an example. Let's imagine that John has 7 apples and Jane has 9 oranges. If we were to represent this using the not equal to symbol, we could write, the number of John's apples does not equal the number of Jane's oranges. Practicing like this will help you get more comfortable using and understanding this symbol in the English language. That brings us to the end of our episode on the not equal to symbol. I hope you now feel more confident using this symbol in your mathematical and English language studies. It's a small symbol with a big impact. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, our journey through English is about discovering that every symbol, every word, truly matters. See you in the next episode.